Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a common and super annoying problem in Kali Linux error when you try to delete a file or folder if you're new to Kali. And this can really confuse you. You right click something and try to delete it, but instead of going to the trash, it gives you this pop-up saying unable to trash file, permission denied. Yeah, really frustrating. But the fix is actually simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. So first, look over at the left side panel of your screen. You'll find a folder named Kali. That's the main folder where your files are stored. And from the menu that pops up, choose Open as root. At this point, it'll ask for your root password. Go ahead and type it in, and then press enter. Now the Kali folder will open again, but this time with root access, which basically means you have full permission to make changes. Now just find that stubborn file or folder you were trying to delete earlier. Right click on it again and hit delete. This time it should go away without any permission error, finally, and that's it. Problem solved. So yeah, if you ever see the error when trying to delete something in Kali Linux, and this is how you fix it, by opening the location as root and deleting from there. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.